So what would you build if you could create anything? Have a look.
What you're watching is an ear being printed. Layer upon layer, tiny droplets are deposited, building up the structure.
This is someone's ear.
This would be printed to be someone's ear.
Oh my goodness.
The project is a type of 3D printing called bioprinting.
Same technology you have at your very own home, but instead of printing sheets of paper with ink, you're actually printing tissues with cells.
Send a scanned image of a body part to the printer, and the machine starts building. Ears, noses, fingers. Dr. Atala's goal is to transplant the parts directly into patients.